Samsung announced the new Galaxy Tab S4 tablet. The Tab S4 is launched to offer tablet and PC mobility. Not being able to match iPad's optimized tablet selection, Samsung goes in the opposite direction. It's positioning the Tab S4 as capable of offering legitimate productivity on the go. When it comes to the two-in-one productivity of the tablet, is the line used by the company to begin its presentation. The Tab S4 features a 10.5-inch Super AMOLED display 2560x1600 with an aspect ratio of 16:10. Their bevels are much thinner than Samsung's previous Android tablets, which means that there is no longer a start button. The iris and the facial scan are available as authentication options in addition to the usual access code. It is available with 64 GB $650 or $256 GB $750 of built-in storage. An S Pen is included in the box. Like Apple's iPad Pro, it includes 4 speakers. Samsung says that they have been tuned by AKG. The company promises up to 16 hours of battery life. The Tab S4 will be sent from August 10. Models with LTE connectivity will also be available. Verizon, Sprint and US Cellular will offer the device. It comes in black and white options, with pre-orders that start today. The Samsung DeX, which transforms the user experience into a desktop PC environment, is integrated directly into the tablet software. "We can support up to 20 open windows simultaneously," said one of Samsung's executives during the product report. DeX can be used with either the $150 keyboard case sold separately from Samsung or with any Bluetooth keyboard and mouse you already have.